Hello friends. India goes to Lok Sabha elections every 5 years. This was the 17th Lok Sabha general elections. One question which plagues all is that how did BJP regain power again in 2019? BJP holds power with an alliance partner in India and the atmosphere is full of growth and reforms with optimism for NDA too. So now, which stocks can create more wealth for us? So to know about that, stay tuned till the last minute of this video where we have a surprise for you. BJP registered a clear victory and won 303 seats, and the NDA alliance won a total of 353 seats in the Lok Sabha elections. The speculation regarding the number of seats the BJP could win or lose was huge due to some big decisions like demonetization, but GST has worked in their favor. Moreover, the Congress party failed to even have the minimum number of seats required to form an opposition in the government. The budget was a story full of agri and infra reforms which is expected to boost the investment cycle and create room for employment generation. It was mostly on lines of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Majority aimed at the more poor section of the society. So what are the current issues faced by the government? Rising fuel prices, rising farmers' anger, weak Indian infrastructural growth, weak rupee, solution for India's water problem and distribution of jobs to the youth of the country remains a big challenge for the NDA too. The recent government policy on minimum support prices for Kharif crops is facing delayed implementation, which is creating unrest within the farming community. The employment and jobs will be on the priority list of the new government, but certain unexpected calamity like coronavirus has left the government in a very big problem. So, what are the government initiatives for the same? Despite the problems and opposition, major transformation was seen in the civil services and in the banking sector via a bouquet of welfare schemes like building of toilets, total electrification, Wi-Fi and digitalization. LPG under Ujjwala, MSP, GST, OROP, etc. The government successfully established a connection with the Indian people through Mann Ki Baat radio show. Thus, with all these initiatives, sooner or later we are poised to record good economic growth and the world is praising our economic reforms one by one. Some strong development steps have boosted public confidence. The strong action taken regarding the nation's security has gained a huge diplomatic advantage for the government. The colossal action taken by the government during pandemic was appreciated by all. So now, you must be wanting to know all about the stocks benefiting from this scheme, right? So for that, you need to subscribe to Stockage app. Here, under the premium option, we have a ready watch list section which outlines some themes and stocks which can get impacted from various criterias like the government policies, the trade war, the monsoon, the crude, etc. Here, you can check all the scans which the stocks fall under, all the news flow in the outlined stocks and any corporate announcements or corporate actions which have taken place for the stocks outlined. You can even check if any bulk or block deals have happened for the chosen stocks. All in all, you can have a 360-degree outlook on the theme that is playing out. So now, which stocks can generate the best return for you? So to know that, we are giving you a coupon code which gives you free access for a month to our premium version of Stockage, where you can know all about the theme and the stocks benefiting under it. You can use it for a month and see its usefulness. Once you are assured of its benefits, you can extend your subscription and keep benefiting. So, what are you waiting for? Use the coupon code immediately and know the stocks which can give you the best returns under the Stockage premium version. Thank you.